Hello! This is a how-to guide on Choice 3 Reader's Theater. So if you choose to do your TGA 9 on Reader's Theater, listen up. For the Reader's Theater, you need to create a script with at least 2 made-up characters explaining an actual event. You'll see that list on the next slide. That happened, an actual event that happened during World War II, and your script must answer the questions that's your topic, about your topic. You need to act out your script by creating a video or MP4 file or just a audio file, or you can come and read it to me in Help Lab, or we can do it together in Help Lab if you want. Okay, so I do need to hear the live version of this as well. But if you want to, sorry, that was weird, especially because you can't see me. I'm gonna let you work in partners for this assignment. If you are working in partners, you need to come in Help Labs. You need to come to Help Lab and work on it together. I need to see what each person is contributing, and you do have to act it out for me if you are doing that. So that is what I suggest you doing. Okay. So in your Reader's Theater thing, you need to have an actual script that you're going to turn in to me. You need to say where you got your information from, the citations, like always. It needs to be well written with minimal grammar mistakes. It needs to be in your own words. And again, your script needs to be clearly presented. It needs to be historically accurate. Your people can be made up, but the events that happen need to be real events, or whatever happens needs to be a real happening. It needs to be fully explain whatever your topic is, and it needs to look nice. So your topic choices are any of these. You can choose one of these to do your Reader's Theater about. And everything needs to revolve around that topic. And here are some key questions to make sure you ask yourself while you're doing the Reader's Theater, to make sure that you are doing everything on topic and fully answering the prompt. If you do it on a person, your Reader's Theater needs to talk about the person and talk about what they did. If you do battle, it needs to talk about what the outcomes of the battle were. What were key points? What were like big parts? What were small parts? Needs to fully talk about that. And same with any of the events and groups and things. So that's that. Let's look at an example. And if you click on the Reader's Theater example, which I'm opening right now, you can see that there it tells you the cast, and this cast has at least 2 people, what setting it's in. So that's nice to see the setting, and it helps like set the stage. So a Reader's Theater is a play. So you're doing a play between 2 people and saying like, this person will say this and this person will say this. So in this, we can see that the characters' names are Fergie and Grandpa. And they're writing it like they're saying it, because that's what they would be doing, is saying it. And if there's something that happens off screen or that isn't said, they put it in parentheses. So just kind of as a side with that. So Fergie, ugh, throws down a pencil in frustration. I'm done with this. Who cares about this stuff anyways? It happened so long ago. Grandpa, well, that's, Ferdinando. What's that, Ferdinando? Is something wrong? Well, nothing's wrong, exactly. But I have to write this report and I really don't know how to do any of it. Alright, so you see, it's a play talking about 2 different people and going to fully talk about the event. And that is what you would do if you choose to do a Reader's Theater. You're just writing a play. Before you submit it, make sure you look at the rubric why am I forgetting words right now? Make sure you look at the rubric. But any of these topics you could choose, and they would make awesome plays. So definitely do that if you want to do the Reader's Theater. If you need any other help, come to Help Lab. And again, if you want to work in a partner, that is fine, but you have to work on it during Help Lab times. And so I know that you both are doing it, and I can help you out with it. And it makes it so you don't have to exchange information. Like, we're not supposed to exchange information at the school, so you just have a time and a place of Help Lab to work on things. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.